The GMMK2 Small TKL Keyboard boasts a top-grade metal build, offering a sleek and low-profile design that ensures durability and strength during intense gaming sessions. This keyboard provides an immersive sound experience thanks to its lubricated stabilizers and thick interior foam that eliminate unwanted noise and enhance sound quality. Customization is at the forefront with the GMMK2, allowing users to choose between small or full-size options to perfectly fit their gaming setup. The versatility of this keyboard is remarkable, as it is engineered to work seamlessly across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Linux systems. Connectivity is streamlined with a removable USB-C cord and exchangeable power cord, making it a reliable companion for any gaming environment. Glorious has designed this keyboard as a hot-swappable DIY kit, giving users the freedom to tailor their typing experience to their exact preferences.